Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can download and install MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your browser, then go to google.com. After that, type MetaTrader 5. Click enter and choose the first one. And as you can see here, you can choose Windows if you have Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, and for Huawei. So for me, I have Windows. Click on download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. Then click start, download, and click open. Click yes, and click next. Then wait for a moment. Now click on finish.
Incoming mail.
And as you can see here, this is MetaTrader 5. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.